to my chicken genetics videos, where today we're going to consider single, double and penciled lacing. Lacing involves 3 genes in a surprising but not difficult to understand way. These 3 genes include the pattern gene, the melanotic gene and the Columbian gene, the last 2 of which we have seen before. The pattern gene pushes the eumelanin into concentric lines around the feather, leaving the edges ground-coloured. This gives a pattern called penciled lacing. When the pattern genotype occurs with melanotic, the bird becomes double-laced, like in laced Indian game and barnabuilders. As you may remember, the melanotic genotype intensifies eumelanin pigment. When it is in conjunction with the pattern gene, it also moves the concentric lines so that the rim around the edges of the feathers become dark. This gives a lacing pattern that looks almost like the inverse of pencil lacing. The most surprising part of lacing genetics is that the lacing involving the most genes gives the simplest pattern. Single lacing involves both the pattern and melanotic genotypes, but also the Columbian restrictor genotype that we've met in a previous video. You might remember that in the absence of feather patterning, Columbian restricts eumelanin pigment to the points of the bird, which is to say the hackle feathers, the wingtips and the tail. In the presence of patterning, Columbian restricts eumelanin to the feather edges, removing the concentric lines from the middle of each feather and producing single lacing. I hope today that I've shown that sometimes there's quite a simple explanation for something that might initially seem quite complex. As this is quite a short video, there is also a second video in the shorts and genes section to help you decide how many eggs to hatch to get a particular desired genotype or phenotype. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe so that you do not miss other chicken genetics videos as they come out.